Get walking. Want to go back in your room? Or you want to go around one more time? Are you sure? You're kind of hunched over a bit there, boy. You sure? Okay. There's your room. There's Joe's room. And there's Joe walking down the hallway. You have to go left, I think. Yeah? This is the way we went? I'm so proud of you, Joe. Mommy couldn't even do that the first day after she had her surgery. She laid in there for 3 days and did nothing. Bad. You've certainly come a long way. Slow down, mister. I'm in a hurry to get there fast. Hey, do you want to try that broth? You do? It's beef broth. It's kind, you know, maybe they didn't have chicken broth up here. I don't know. I didn't even ask that. You like chicken broth, right? Yes, no, maybe?
That's my favorite kind of broth.
Chicken broth is your favorite kind of broth. Is it too late to get him some chicken broth? He has beef. He has beef and he likes chicken. 3:30. Ready? Germs. Germy boy. Left, left, left. Look at you go. They're going to get you some chicken broth, Joe, okay? Unless it's too late. If it's too late, I'm sorry. I really wish that you could eat noodles or something.
How do you feel?
How are you feeling? Does your stomach feel tight? Turn around, look at me. Does your stomach feel tight? Just a little bit right here?
A little bit.
Just a tiny bit? Is that why you're kind of like this? Okay. Hey, walk to my room. Our room. Your room. Yes.
Get water.
We got water in there. And I can get you water from up there, too. They got the ice, you know, the snow ice like Daddy has.